اليوم درسنا يوم الأسبوع. That is days of the week. يوم الأحد. يوم الأحد Sunday. қазақша жексенбі. орысша يوم الاثنين. يوم الاثنين так, понедельник, Monday. December. يوم الثلاثاء. يوم الثلاثاء.
It's Tuesday.
and сейсенбі. يوم الأربعاء.
It's Wednesday.
сәрсенбі. есімдер. يوم الخميس.
It's Friday.
какой Friday? Thursday.
It's Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday it is.
Good. December.
يوم الجمعة.
It's
Friday.
Juma.
Okay. يوم السبت.
It's
Saturday.
Saturday.
سنبه. молодцы.